Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first go to GeForce Experience and then check for updates, and after that if you find any update just install it, and then go to Call of Duty Properties, Compatibility, and now go to those two options, and first option make it for Windows 8. Click apply and OK, and after that go to task manager, and after that once you're here, first go to apps and close all the applications that you don't need, and then go to background processes, and once you're here just keep scrolling and close all tasks that you don't need and you must know what they do, and that's it. Just close all tasks that you don't need it when you're playing, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.